Aries.
Hey, what's up mga comments ko? Let's do a card reading for you ngayong darating na October 2025 for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising. 6 tayo Let's talk about your achievements sa susunod na buwan. Ginagawa ko to September. Pero anytime yung mapanood to, pwede. It resonate with you as long as it's resonating. If not, watch the other videos or wait until October happens. Achievements, multiple achievements, and your fear of having someone betray you. Yun ang kwento ng buong October for you. Finances, you will continuously act on things na patuloy na magbibigay sa'yo ng resources. Love life, you will be very cautious, strict, or you will have limitations dealing with your personal life. Your card reading naman gamit ang Oracle. Temptations and sacrifices. Because of all the temptations and toxicities at sacrifices na pinagdaanan mo, for sure, yun ang dahilan kung bakit mo ma-experience yung mga sinabi ko kanina. At the same time, you will also have recognitions and rewards. Direct to the point na part ito ng destiny mo. Beginning this September 21, yung heart that you lost mo before, or recently, mga emotional loss, ang kapalit ng by October is your patience and planning, you patiently waiting for something to come into fruition, or your plans gradually ginagawa mo. At hindi man siya malinaw ngayon at this very moment, but pagkalipas na yung araw, it will be very, very clear. Okay. The message from my tarot card. 6 of Wands in reverse. Hindi ka makakaasa masyado ng magandang balita as of now. Star card, especially you're not being recognized. At the moment na hindi ka recognize, hindi ka lang makaka-receive ng good news. So, it can make you feel frustrated, feel down, slow, stagnant, and that's fine. Because judgment is coming to you, especially this coming October. And your tips. Your dreams are going to be fulfilled gradually if you have a darling or going to have a darling. You will have that gut feel or intuition as it matures or develops.